On Thursday, opposition leader Yuri Alimão and Fatoda MLA Vijay Sardesai voiced strong objections in the assembly regarding the establishment of a private medical college near the South Goa District Hospital. Both leaders raised concerns about the impact of the new facility on existing public health services and questioned the rationale behind its location. Their objections highlight growing apprehension among local legislators about the integration of private institutions within public healthcare infrastructure. The assembly session erupted into chaos on Thursday as opposition leader Yuri Alimão and Fatoda MLA Vijay Sardesai challenged Health Minister Vishwajit Rane over conflicting statements regarding the proposed private medical college. Sardesai highlighted discrepancies in Rane's responses, with the minister initially indicating the college was under consideration for Alimão but denying any proposal to Sardesai. Sardesai also cited the Chief Minister's assertion that the cabinet had decided to move forward with the college. In response, Rane stated the matter was still under review and would adhere to CVC guidelines. The disagreement led opposition members to flood the well of the House in protest against the private college plan.
Neurosurgery unit, you are saying that you are working on it. Proposal for private medical college is under process. Speaker sir, ये आऊँ सांगपाक सोदता very clear. ये private medical college पडे हा नो एक आम कशे करपा दिवपाक. What? Why do we need a private medical college there? For what? This infrastructure that was built. Na boss because माचे boss जे यो infrastructure जो build केल्लो जेन्ना काँग्रेसा टायमी बिल्ड केलो प्रायवेट मेडिकल कॉलेज दिवपाकू हे सगळे क्रोनी कॅपिटलिस्ट थिंगा येताय देर इज नो प्रपोजल यू टेल मी योर आन्सर्स दॅट यू गिवन जे साधी आन्सर दिल्लो तो डायवर्ट करता प्रश्नाचे उत्तर नाका तुका प्रश्नाचे उत्तर नाका तुका तो दिना हां ते आपले उत्तर घेऊ दे तो दिना आन्सर दिना
सर ऑनरेबल लीडर ऑफ ऑपोजिशन आणि सगळे सांगले A to Z सांगलेले आसा काय गोष्टी खरे आसा काय गोष्टी आमकां मेहनत करची पडटली ते जाग्यार हाडपाक तुज्या वांगडा ज्या दिसा
प्रायवेट मेडिकल ओ डायवर्ट कोता बरे व्हेरी स्पेसिफिक प्रायवेट मेडिकल कॉलेज थिंगा तुम्ही कित्याक दिवपाक सोदता infrastructure was created for private medical college because was the infrastructure created to give it to private players
की अत्यंत गरजेच्यो वस्तू थंय जाय, त्या म्हणजे एक कार्डिओलॉजी युनिट आणि एक तुगेले न्यूरोलॉजी युनिट. म्हाका दिल्लें की एका वर्सा भितर करतले. Will Minister tell me?
Health Minister Vishwajit Rane has firmly stated that his department will not violate CVC guidelines in the ongoing debate over the proposed private medical college. During a heated assembly session, Rane emphasized that anyone found breaching these guidelines will face legal consequences, including possible jail time. His remarks come in response to opposition leaders' concerns and criticisms regarding the handling of the private college proposal.
I am appreciative of the dialogue that is taken up. It's the duty of the government to see that we deliver. And me as a minister, it's my responsibility to see that we deliver. And my responsibility will come to the Chief Minister because I will have to take his help to see that we are able to implement all these things. People fight for people's issues. It's our duty as a minister to see that we address the issues raised by the opposition. It's not only about the opposition, it's our people, our supporters also. Ultimately, people of Goa, we are dealing it. Once we are in government, we don't belong to any political party. But what we have been taught by the Bharatiya Janata Party is to serve the people in a very judicious manner, and that's what we are going to do. And we are doing.
सर PPP तत्वाचे हॉस्पिटल देणे गरजेचं आहे का?
सगळं गरजेचं आहे नाही आहे त्यांना ऑन बोर्ड घेऊन आम्ही करणार. मला काहीच लपवायचं नाही. मी स्पष्ट सांगितलंय CVC गाईडलाईन व्हायलेशन करून जर माझ्या डिपार्टमेंटमध्ये काही काम झालं असेल ते व्हायला देणार नाही. सगळ्या गोष्टीला टेंडर काढायला पाहिजे, सगळ्या गोष्टीला CVC गाईडलाईन फॉलो करायला पाहिजे, नंतर दुसरं सरकार येणार आहे दुसऱ्या मंत्र्याला तुरुंगात घालणार. बस.
सर ब्रिज ऑफ प्रिव्हिलेजचे किती एक्झॅक्ट
ते तुमकां सोमारा कळटलें. ब्रीच ऑफ प्रिव्हिलेज आय हॅव मूव्ड अ ब्रीच ऑफ प्रिव्हिलेज ऑन अन editor in chief of a national newspaper. On that we will figure it out on Monday, and the breach of privilege will come in detail exactly, because carrying out a misinformation आणि कितेंय जर बरयल्यार कोणी तरी हांगाच्यान रिपोर्ट धाडलो आनी ते छापपाक मनशाचे इमेज गेट स्पॉइल्ड. I have been a minister. I don't need anybody's money. I have been working here judiciously for the people. My father has given me enough. I do not have to depend on politics to make money. I am here to serve the people of Sattari, Usgaon, and the people of the state of Goa. I am not only a Sattari-based politician. I am here for the people of the state. Anybody needs me, I am available. भारतीय जनता पार्टीचे नीती, भारतीय जनता पार्टीचे पॉलिसी आणि भारतीय जनता पार्टी म्हाका जे शिकयला ते हांवें लोकांमदीं पावोवपाचो आनी देशाचे प्रधानमंत्रीची नीती आनी नरेटिव्ह लोकांमदीं पावोवपाचो म्हाजो प्रयत्न आसतलो. आनी दुसरी गोष्ट, हे जे कितें कोण सांगता, जे कितें कोण बरयता, हेणी विचार करून बरोवपाक जाय. कित्याक फॉल्स इन्फॉर्मेशन आनी मिस इन्फॉर्मेशन इज एंटी गोवा इन्फॉर्मेशन. गोंयांत जर विकास जावन गरीब लोकांक जमन्यो गावना घरां बांदपाक हे सगळे गायडलायन प्रमाणे जे काम करता ते काम केले वयतले. बेश्टे राजकारणान एकमेकाक फिक्स करपाचे कामां बंद जावंक जाय आनी कामाचेर लक्ष दिवपाची गरज आमी सगळ्यांनी.
TCP एक्टान एरर कितें तरी आता हे रेक्टिफाय करपाक कितें
एरर ते येतले. विधानसभेचे जे चर्चा जातली लास्टाक आमी सरकारच्या जे कितें बेश्टे पॉस्टॅरिटी कडेन खंय तरी आयज खंय तरी शिरकोन उरल्या ह्यो गोष्टीक मार्ग काडूंक जाय. लास्टाक बेनिफीट सामान्य जनतेक बी पावंक जाय. सामान्य फक्त एक मनशाक काय दोन मनशाक काय तीन मनशाक न्हू, सगळ्या लोकांक बेनिफीट पावंक जाय आनी पावपाचो आमचो प्रयत्न आसूंक जाय. आनी जे मिसइन्फॉर्मेशन जे एनवायरमेंटाचेर आनी जे कितें मिसइन्फॉर्मेशन कॅम्पेन जे चल्ला हे कॅम्पेन बंद जावंक जाय. म्हणून हांवें ब्रीच ऑफ प्रिव्हिलेज मुख्य दीस एब्सोल्युटली मेलिशियस. Whoever has done it is malicious. It is not correct. It should not be done like that. But कितें आहा ते वाट काडपाची गरज आहा. हे सगळे गोष्टीचेर मनशांनी सारखे व्हेरिफिकेशन करपाक जाय फॅक्टाच्यो, आनी व्हेरीफाय केल्यारूच ते घालपाक जाय. हांगा एकमेकाक फिक्स करपाचे चक्रां जे चल्ल्या हे खंय तरी चक्रां खंय तरी थारपाक जाय आनी हे